So the reason this ledge is so high you can't see over the top is because the outside people can't see the women. And if they have to see them, then if the girl has to look out, she just looks through this thing. Not really.
Yeah.
So you're building the rest of the house later on?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is from the outside, you can see it's one big complex. How come we don't go? This car is just running for like a few minutes.
Well, we should heat it before we go.
Oh, you want to warm the car up?
Yeah.
But it's summer.
Yeah, even though for mechanic things, we need to hit it before we go.
Oh, so you warm up the car even if it's summer, if it's winter, anytime?
Yeah.
What if it's 40 degrees, like over 100 degrees Fahrenheit?
Well, at least you're going to turn it for 5 to 10 minutes at least, then you go.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So even if it's hot outside, you're gonna still warm it up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Red? This place has 3 fences that guards the airport.
Yeah.
I guess one fence is not good enough. That's why we can't see the airplane taking off.
Okay, come from here, so I'll switch my friends that can leave.
So this is the classroom here. Hey, can you tell me what this thing is? What is this thing?
No, you can put your bag here, but it's useless.
You mean your book bag?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do some people use it?
Not really. Some people, some students do, but not all of them. It's useless nowadays.
Okay. There's free light because the skylight. It's a good system.
That's a book.
Oh, okay. So where are we gonna go now?
We're going to the mosque. This is right there.
This way?
Yes. Oh, we need a car.
Okay. So no one's here right now.
Yeah. Here it will be so full of people. Can I use your phone to register a phone number?
Yeah. All right, here we got the Marriott Hotel. It's located right here in Constantine.
Biggest mosque here. You'll find the information there in the doors.
So where are we now?
We are in Abdul Kader
Wait.
Mosque.
So where are we now?
We are in front of Amir Abdul Kader's mosque in Constantine, which is the biggest mosque here.
Okay,
in
and
Syria.
do you have any information about this mosque?
Yeah, it was built in 1994 and it holds 15,000 person in there, as it has 2 minarets.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been inside before?
Yeah, I've been actually twice or 3 times, I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Who did you take here the last time?
It was Colombian visitor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So he really enjoyed it?
Yeah, he did actually.
How many days did he come to visit you?
He has been here like 1 day.
Oh, that's just one day. It's like me, but
Yeah.
okay. All right, sounds good. Well, thanks a lot. So that's a very interesting mosque. I'm very happy we made it here. So this mosque was just built in 1994. It seems really recent.
Yeah, well, they have finished it in 1994, but it took about 100 years.
Oh, so it took a long time to build, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, here I am in Constantine, Algeria, with the big mosque in the background. The name is Amir Abdel Kadir Mosque. It was completed in 1994, and it seems pretty recent, but actually it was under construction for over 100 years. The fountains behind me are just about to be completed in 2018. Very famous place in Constantine, Algeria, and I continue dancing around the world. All right, here I am in Constantine, Algeria. It's on the far eastern portion of Algeria, almost to the border with Tunisia. Behind me is the famous mosque. It's called the Amir Abdelkader Mosque, which was completed in 1994, but it actually took the process of about 100 years to complete it. Now in 2018, they're just completing the water fountains, which is going to be really nice. Very famous place in Constantine, Algeria, and I continue dancing around the world. Hey, I'm surprised you're wearing a blue shirt too.
Oh, is it like just a chance or a luck?
I don't know. How did you choose a blue shirt?
I don't know.
I think it's a joke.
Yeah, it is.
So you saw I was wearing a blue shirt and then you went to get one too?
Yeah, but actually it's my favorite color.
Oh, really?
That's why, yeah.
Oh, okay. I got this one in Turkey.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Yeah. Where'd you get yours?
I got it from here, but it is made in Turkey too.
Oh, okay. Probably the same company or something.
Maybe.
Okay. If you're thirsty here, you can just go get this cup and then drink water there. I know. But it looks like one.
Yeah, but just get inside and we'll see. The girl is calling.
She's calling already?
Yep. Hello? Hello? Kayak kabel itu tuh nanti kalau terbasa, apa kan African kerana tu?
take my video, okay? It's already on.
Oh, yeah.
Just hold it. Okay, so this thing is plastic and it's not square. Okay, so look up here. You can fix it like this.
Again? Go again. No, just go again.
You're surprised, yeah?
This is really, oh my god.
No, I didn't take it, you know, the way it moved.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Alright.
It's still on, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can fix it like this.
And done.
Manuel.
Hello.
Alright. Hey, so what's this thing over here?
It's a river and we are in a very high level of the bridge.
Yeah?
If you want a suicide, you can just try and we will see if you're gonna be still alive or not.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, it's so deep. So what's the name of the bridge behind this? Alright, it's one of the newest. It's one of the newest ones?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. When did they build it?
I have no idea.
But recently, yeah?
Yeah, I think it's been like
A few years ago?
3-4 days.
oh years. I didn't say days. Oh my god.
She doesn't know history and she wants to change it.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
I
So
swear
that's
God, I think it's 4 years.
4 years,
Yeah.
about. Okay,
Yeah.
we just need an estimation. And then over here is a nice park and the city.
هاي بركة عندنا البلاصة بك.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah, what's that mosque over there?
It's my family's mosque. It's called Shintli.
Shintley?
Yeah, Shintli.
Wow, so your dad used to live there? Or who?
Not my dad, my uncle.
Oh, your uncle?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the name of the mosque?
Shintli.
Mosque, okay, interesting.
Yeah, mosque. Yeah.
Wow, so you're
Is
kind
there
of...
where the Muslim people like pray?
Yeah.
I never been there, like, because I don't know. I don't think that there is like rooms for women.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So you're kind of famous, your family. That's a good one. I'm so surprised there's a fake Subway here. I wonder if they sell I wonder if they sell Subway sandwiches.
Welcome to the reality.
Of Algeria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like seriously, for example, they write McDonald's or anything. It's not real McDonald's. It's just like bullshit.
Fake, yeah. Fake.
Yeah.
Just fake. You've seen McDonald's too?
Advertisements.
Not here. Do we have McDonald's in? No, we don't.
No, okay.
I ate it.
We have
in,
Amiga, we have...
Hey, can I go in and check?
No, I don't want to get in there. It's very popular.
Really?
Yeah, they're going to.
I don't like it.
But just to like look.
Okay, just you can go, yeah.
It's really popular and like just. Do you see this? It's really not that good. Yeah, I think it's.
So where do they go now? Hey, so here we have Novotel and we have Ibis over there. Okay.
I can do it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Prochaine station, station d'accord.
Is it this one? Here's the airport. There's the airport. So we go that way?
Okay, let's go from here. Like, I want this to change and give you money. Hi, we're going to say
thanks so much for everything, and keep in touch.
Yeah.
And thanks for everything, and thanks for the tour.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye.
Devam ediyoruz. Acil çıkış kapıları kabinin her iki yanında, önde, ortada ve arkadadır. Çıkış işaretleri size yardımcı olacaktır. Şimdi arkanızda da olabilecek. Size en yakın çıkış kapılarında acil durumlarda kabin ekibinin açacağı kaydıraklar bulunur. Can yeleğiniz burada veya buradadır. Başınızın üzerinden geçirin ve bantları belinize göre ayarlayın. Uçağı terk ederken kırmızı kolları çekerek veya tüpleri üfleyerek şişirin.
Dilime takılacak demiştim.
Right now. And what do movie stars do between movies?
Starring a flashy airline safety video. Can we get the step-by-step flashy video instructions, please?
Here you go.
Step 1, make sure you're inside the airplane. Oh, here we go.
Carefully stow your luggage in the overhead bin.
Oh, I thought you were a suitcase.
You can also store it under the seat in front of you.
What's next? I knew it.
It's illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in laboratories which are equipped with smoke detectors. So don't even think about it, hombre.
And you want to sit next to me?
No, I'm not flying me.
What's happening to the rest of the flight?
I got this. Attention to all passengers on this flight. We're gonna have a good time with the air tonight. Some party in the sky, let's pack our drinks and fly. Moving on, emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin and the front and rear. Help you locate them. Look at the near sign, which may be behind you.
Hey, there it is.
In the event of an emergency evacuation, the aircraft following the exit signs will leave along the aisle. As you exit, please leave all your luggage, high heels, and
This is gonna get stuck in my head.
In the first phase and 200 million passengers when all phases are completed. With more than 350 flight destinations, Istanbul New Airport will be the new center of aviation.
Now we are at 37,000 Street in Liverpool, 280 meters in Tunis airspace. After Tunis, we fly over Malta, Italian airspace, Greek airspace, or Turkish airspace. And we expect landing time for Istanbul to Turkey International Airport 20 minutes local time. The training condition in Istanbul is around 20 Celsius, the best place